So let's come back to this leak. I think this is about video number 4. I showed you all the different methods of leaks and why some leaks are found, some are not. Under vacuum, I explained nylogs, stopping leaks, all that kind of stuff. So we're running right now, and I have refrigerant, and you can definitely see this leak, but this is not the leak because that's me filling it up because I wanted to test it, and I wanted to show you guys the size of the leak. If we could get clear. See that? That did not leak under vacuum. No analog gauge would have found that, but you see how big of a leak it is under pressure with refrigerant in the system, and I'm about to recover it back out. Just had to prove that, prove the compressor's working, prove the expansion valve's working, and I had to prove that either this condenser was leaking or was not leaking, because I had a very bright glow located right up in here. Let's see, right in here. It's not there now. It was an insect carcass. There are certain insects that have the exact same color of the UV dye, and you would not believe how many technicians have sold customers condensers they did not need because all it was a little skin, scale of certain insects, and it gets caught inside the fins, and when you use your UV light, you swear to God it's a leak. And you have to differentiate by flaking it out of there, cleaning it out of there, and you can physically see it. But if you lose it while you clean it and you can't identify it, that it's either actually refrigerant UV dye or insect scale that is the exact same color as UV dye, you would falsely condemn the customer's condenser. That's be several $100s more of money the customer did not need to spend, and that's what we don't want to do. And that's why I'm filling this up, even though I have this more than small leak over here, so I can confirm I do not need to have them replace this condenser. It was just an insect scale on there, but we do know the O-rings on the expansion valve leaking, and we do know that the hose is busted right down there. I'll see you guys later.